Today I'm going to be going over how to change a cabin air filter in this 2026 Jeep. This should be the same from 2018 up to 2026. We're going to come over here to the passenger side, open our door, go into the glove box. We're going to come down here. This is the little regulator arm, and this is kind of a tricky little attachment. So the way this little regulator arm works is you push up, like get close, like that, and then this comes out, and you can see how that is. So it clips into there, you push it up, and it pops out of the bigger hole. Then we gotta move this out of the way next. What you just push this up out of the way, and then this falls out. Make sure you don't have a bunch of stuff in here. This can come out, and it clips into these here, so it can just come out and lay on the floor. Then we have our door here. This right here pinches together, comes forward, and then slides out this way. So yep, there's a little tab on the other end. Put that on the floor. Then this guy, you gotta finagle out. The airflow is always down. Sometimes they mark air filter, aftermarket air filter is funny, but you should see the airflow down. So there should be flies and stuff, and this is all dirty on this side. This can come out. Another thing I like to do is throw a date on there. You could just write it with a Sharpie. Now when you're throwing this back in, you kind of have to squeeze it through here. This acts like an accordion. You got to squeeze it together. Put this side in, then put this side in, and finagle that until it goes in like so. Then it's all straightened out. Then when we're putting this guy back in, it's blind, so you kind of have to make sure you're the right way out, first of all. So this is the outside clip. This hook is gonna stick in over here. And real quick, there is the part number on there. That's straight from the factory filter, but I will put links to an aftermarket option if you're interested. And I do make commission off of my links, and they help me make content. So I appreciate it when you use those. So that just hooked in. So you kind of slide, you have to find the hook. And this will not want to go on easy if you don't find that little hook. So there, that's in place, pops in. Then we're gonna throw our glove box back on. We start with our hooks, those just go in there. Then this guy flips up, and you can just push. That'll hold that. Then our little regulator here goes in, and you push down till it clicks. Just like that. And that's how you do a cabin air filter on a Jeep Wrangler. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.